Hey everyone, um, I'm back with some new shoes. These are actually the Fighter Jets Foamposites. It comes out next week, and I actually got myself one pair before the release date, and they look really nice. The first of its kind of camo print on a Foamposite, and they have a white, silver kind of grayish, and black colorway with a clear bottom, and you can actually see the carbon fiber all the way inside. You see the plate? It's very pretty. When you see it face to face, you can see the detail that they put into the shoes. It's very good print. It's a similar print to the Galaxy Foamposites. Very detailed oriented. On the right side, it says danger. And then on the left side of the right shoe, it says no step. Comes with a military dog tag with the penny logo. And it says on it, at Fernie Hardaway, number 1, uh, July 18th, 1971, Memphis, Tennessee, Nike Foamposite 1. On the left side of the shoe, it says danger on the outside, and then no step inside. Has a little thunder on the pull tab, and also on the back. And the insole are different from the left and right side. There's a star inside here. And then there's a danger ejection seat on the right side. This is the box that it comes in. It's just a regular Nike box. It's Air Foamposite 1 PRM. And the price actually jumped up to $235. Most people think it's only because of the dog tag and also the little wording on the side. And it's very pricey for Foamposites because it just keeps going up and up. But it's a very new concept and definitely a great cop. It's a great colorway. Supposedly they're gonna ones. We're not sure yet.